Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we'll show you how you can easily upgrade your Clash Royale cards to level 15. You heard it right. To upgrade your Clash Royale cards to level 15 efficiently, focus on these strategies. Collect gold by participating in clan wars, special events, and trophy road. Step 2. Use magic items like books or cards, wild cards, and chest keys to speed up the upgrades. Step 3. Trade unwanted cards with classmates to get the ones you need. Finally, but not the least, complete Pass Royal to unlock high value rewards. Prioritize upgrading your most used cards to improve your gameplay quickly. That's it for today's video. I'll display all these steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them carefully. Enjoy your gaming experience with Clash Royale and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more gaming guides.